Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I'm glad to see you here. Today I'm sharing my Ipsy Glam Bag. And let's see, came in a big bag. I must have gotten something else. This is the glam bag itself. So last week I shared my Ipsy icon bag. I hadn't got this in yet, so I'm sharing this one now. The bag is absolutely darling. I love it. I love the pink, the blue, the oranges. It's got a cute little pink zipper handle, and then inside it's also pink, which kind of looks red to me in the video, but it is pink. Came with a cute card ahead of the pack, summer vacay on the books. Is your summer vacay on the books? What are you doing this summer? So I don't know what I'm wearing going this summer. So I know I'm going to Las Vegas in June, and I'm going to Hawaii in October, but summer I think is just gonna be hanging out in the dry heat of Arizona. So this doesn't have the products listed inside, but it does talk about SPF Mythbusters. So it talks about myths and facts about SPF. That's helpful information for this time of year. So any time of the year really, but. Okay, so let's look and see what my add-on is first, okay? Looks like I got a palette. I don't remember getting this, but I got an Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Let's open it up and see what it is and why I got it. Okay. Okay. Very neutral palette. You can see here. So gonna swatch a couple. I've got a gold here, and I got like an orangey peachy color. Let's try those two. Okay, there's that, and let's see what else we have here. I've got a lighter kind of a brown. And then we've got like a darker one that blends with it. Those two look like ones I'd wear together. See those two on the end? So really, I like I like lighter colors. A lot of times I use lighter colors on my lids. So that's a fun palette. So it's fun when you don't remember, you pick up something and then you get it. So let's get into this little thing here. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out, it looks like the item that I chose this month. It's a little smaller than I thought it was gonna be. It's a Ciate London, and this is the Velvet Skin Cream Blush. The color is Fancy. That's what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to try a drop. I just barely put a drop on here, so we'll see how it, yeah. It goes a long way. That was like the teeniest drop. I like the color. It's a mauve pink color. It always turns out, everything turns out looking a little more brown on my hand when I show, but anyway, that's a really good color. Very blendable. So I'm excited. It's little, but I'm excited. So also good for travel. The next thing I'm pulling out here is this is Seraphine Botanicals. This is Cherimoya and Fig Long Lasting Vegan Lip Stain in Latte. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's really really cute package. It feels very sturdy, like a nice package. I'm not super sure about the color. It might be a little brown for me, so I'm not gonna test it, but maybe it'll work. We'll see. But that's my second item. The third item I'm pulling out here is from Clinique, and it is the 7-Day Scrub Clean Cream Rinse Off Formula. So, I'm not sure what that means. I'm trying to think about it here, but I think it's just a facial cleanser. This will go in my bag of travel items. I like to pull out small things like this that I can take when I travel. And the next thing I'm pulling out is by Diana, something that I have received a few times. Not sure I received a pink one before, but this is the goat milk hand cream. They call it Love Goat Milk Hand Cream. And these always smell good. This is a great brand, really good for your hands. And I'm not gonna open it if it's, let's see. Yeah, it has a cover on it, so I wanna save this. I have a lot of hand creams right now, but I will use this because I like it. So there's that. And then the last thing, but not the least thing, I think this is one of the things I was most excited about. You either love it or hate it, but this is the, let's see here what they say about it. It's the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Mascara in Clear. So it's just a clear brow gel that you can use to set your brows, but also it has ingredients in it that will help your brows to grow. So if you want to have fuller, nicer brows, it can help with that. So I'm really excited about this. It's a great product. I know it was all over TikTok last year. It's been a highly rated product. So I'm excited to get this. And probably the most excited about this, my second thing I'm most excited about is the blush. And then, let's see what we got here. The hand cream. Not sure if I can use this or not, but we've got the lippy, this is the vegan lip gloss, and the Clinique facial cleanser. So there you go, yay. That's my stash with the surprise eyeshadow palette I picked up. So what do you think? Do you get Ipsy? Do you get the Glam Bag? Do you think it's worth it? I've gotten this forever, as long as I can remember, and I usually just pay for it yearly. So it's kind of nice. You get a little bit of a discount when you pay for it annually. So I'm excited to have it. Let me know what you think below. I also have a code for Ipsy below if you want to look in the down below. And thank you for being here. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.